Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. You know the drill. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we're going to proceed with our Halloween special finale. And I'm back for another Halloween series, and this will be our last part. And I'm going to unbox some boxes from Why So Serious, a series plush pendant. And I'm saving the best for last, which is the Hirono Monsters Carnival full set. And we are able to manage to secure another scene prop or one scene prop to be able for us to check if these figures of Hirono are good to see when it lights up. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Let me start with these three boxes from Why So Serious series. These are the vinyl plush pendant blind boxes. And if you watch my previous vlog, we unboxed two only, which we got let me show you the lineup, which we got the Molly, the string puppet, and the rainbow jelly bean of Twinkle Twinkle. And these boxes or series are hard to get now because it's almost sold out and it's not available anymore. And I hope I won't get a duplicates because we got already these two. And I'm hoping to get the juggling clown, which is the Labubu, or if we are lucky enough to get the secret for another Labubu. And I wanna see either of these two Dimu. So let's see, guys. Let me unbox the first box, and I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part. This one is are famous now because these are kindly limited edition for the Halloween theme. So let's see. So as you can see, this is the packaging of the Why So Serious blind box. And this is a string bag where you can secure or take care of your plush pendant whenever it's not in use. So let's see, guys, who will be our first figure for today. This one is so small and I don't know who's this. So one, two, three. Oh, we got another Twinkle Twinkle. Wow. Though this one is really cute, but sadly we got another duplicate. And as I've said, this Twinkle Twinkle figure or plush pendant is much better to be included for the Christmas edition, but because he's not that scary or creepy enough to be, to be included for the Halloween series, though he has this clown outfit, though he's still cute and adorable. So let me show you the art card. So this is the art card. It's like a carnival tent, and this is the rainbow jelly bean of Twinkle Twinkle. What can you say about this returning figure to me? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box for the Why So Serious vinyl plush pendant. And we got our first figure for today. And it's a duplicate. And I really want to get Labubu or either of the Dimu, which is the Flame Clown, and the Lumina Feast. Let's see if we are able to get our prio. Sadly, our first figure is a duplicate. Though Twinkle Twinkle is really cute, and I hope that this will be not a duplicate. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. I just hope that this one is not. Molly, another Molly. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, I guess this is Hachipupu. Though Hachipupu here is really cute. He's like a black dark clown, and I like his outfit. It's like uh the pink color is popping out with his black outfit. If you can see the stitches here, let me show you. And at the back, her shoes or his shoes is two different colors, like another radiant pink and black. and there are some stitches of stars on the side, white stars, black stars, and yeah, I really like the pendant. It really matches the color of Hachipupu here. I really like the electric design of the heart on his eyes. I like the blush on. I really like this one. What can you say about the Hachipupu? Let me show you the art card. So this is the art card of Hachipupu. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our last box for the Why So Serious vinyl plush pendant. And we got the Shadow Joker of the Hachipupu. And we got another Rainbow Jelly Bean, which is the Twinkle Twinkle. Please give me the Juggling Clown or either of the Demo, please. Let's see. I hope I'll get what I really want. Though I really like those other two figures that we unboxed a while ago. So let's see if we are able to get even just one Prios that I really, really like. Or are we able to secure a secret with this lineup? Okay. The moment of truth for our final plush pendant. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, we got the Dimu! Hi! Yes, I really like Dimu because he's really, really cute. And look how soft his hair. As always, Dimu is like a crying clown. He has these silver metallic tears. Surprisingly, all the eyes of the plush pendant is eye chip, I believe. These are eye chip. And I really like the outfit of Dimu here. A very subtle cream, brown, and white, brown, and other light colors. I really, really like it. He really, really looks cute. And if you can see, there's some like scary monster on her hair or head, and then some stitches of the stars. I really like his clown hats. Very cute. Not We didn't get our secret from this lineup, but I really, really like Demo here. And let me show you the art card. And we got the Luminofeast. So what can you say about Demo Luminofeast? Please comment down below. Before I'm going to proceed with the unboxing of the full set of the Hirono Monster Carnival series, let me show you first the scene prop that we are managed to get. And this one, you cannot buy this one, and it's not yet available in Pop Mart store or website. This one is sold separately, and I just don't know why, but I just hope that when they sold a set of series, they should include this one as a package. But unfortunately, it's not. You have to buy this one in the black market because it's still not yet available in the Pop Mart store. So this is the packaging. I'm not sure if this one is legit, but there's a Pop Mart here. And let me unbox this one and check if this one is working. So this is the scene prop. Okay. There's some manual. Set aside this one. There's some blister like protection, but it's not full one. And it's in the plastic. Okay. I just noticed that this one has a connector of Type C, but it's not included in the box at the same time. So you really have to buy another Type C wire so that this one will be able to work with the Hirono figures that will lights up. So this is the scene prop, Monsters Carnival Hirono. It's like a stone finish. So it's like an apple box or like a stage, small stage where you can put Hirono here so that it will lights up. What can you say about this one? It's quite expensive. It's like almost the same price of one Hirono figure. So let's see, guys. We're going to set this one up so that whenever we're going to unbox the each boxes of Hirono Monster Carnival series, We're going to check if that will light up. And let me introduce CJ will help me to unbox the half of the figures. So let's see, guys. Let's proceed with the unboxing for the Hirono Monsters Carnival.
Hi guys, I'm CJ. So I almost forgot when was the last time that I joined unboxing of Christoph, but here I am. I'll be the one to unbox the first half of Hirono Monster Carnival. So just a quick background. We actually want to open this one even in the past weeks because we are actually looking forward for Hirono's Halloween special. But here we are. We are very happy to open. So for our Hirono Monster Carnival, as you can see, this actually has a very unique type or color for Hirono. So this has a bluish or violet or purplish color backs. And on its side, we have the 6 confirmed figures from this series. So we have the Dr. Beak, the Grim Reaper, the Creepy Clown, the Killer Bunny, the Zombie, and the Vampire. And of course, the Secret. And among all these figurines, my most chase is the Killer Bunny and of course the Secret. But hopefully, we'll obtain the Secret and but regardless of what we're going to obtain today, I'll be happy because all of these figures actually good and a very special Hirono. So yep, let me just open this one. So I really miss opening boxes on the upper side. So let me just open this one on the upper side on how we usually open the blind box. So here, okay. So just a quick check for the box. The one who is in the front is the Killer Bunny. So this is actually the chase figurine here in the Hirono Monster Carnival. So in every box, they usually have this one. So this is actually a guidelines on how, or at least a function specification regarding the electronics in the figurine. So all of the Hirono Monster Carnival figurines are all electronic. So they usually have this one, even the Secret. Yep. So here's the foil for our first box for Monster Carnival. So this is actually a very good foil. It has a theme of like a statue or an old theme uh, foil. So as you can see, we have here the face of Hirono, which actually kind of scary because he actually has a scar on his eye. But yeah, I think for this one, he looks like a clown. But yeah, overall, the foil is actually good. So let me just open this one and let's see what we're going to get for our first back for Hirono Monster Carnival. So for our first item, we have we have here the wait the creepy clown. So for the creepy clown, this is actually a good color hair Hirono. So usually they have the brown, but for this one they have the red hair Hirono and a scar on his right eye. So as you can see, and he is also holding a bone or skull. And on his body, as you can see, there's a spring. So this one's look is a very creepy clown. Yep, and on his back, yeah, there's a small patch here and also a one circle which I think is only for design. So as you can see, he is sitting and having fun, I guess, while holding his skull. Yep, and of course he also have his party hat or Halloween hat, and he also has bandage here on his side upper portion of his hair. And overall, this is actually a good one, and I'm very excited to open the other. So for our unboxing, I would like to show you also what it looks like when it is being put in a Monster Carnival prop scene. For the art card, we have here, we have a gray, black and white card for a creepy clown, and at the back we have the Hirono Halloween hat. And then for the inclusion, we actually have as inclusion. So yeah, this is one is I think for the back side. So let me just open this one and put it. I think this one belongs here. So as you can see, it looks like you can actually use this one and then roll it so that you will spring in it. But yeah, I'll just put this one here and see if it's light up. So, but for sure, yeah, I'll just get back to you to check how this works. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. So I actually fixed the electricity or the wirings here. So let me just show you the glimpse of how Creepy Clown looks like when it is actually on top of Hirono's Monster Carnival prop scene. So as you can see, his body lights up, and I feel like this actually looks great when it's light up. So I'll be showing you later how this looks like when the lights are turned off. So this is how it looks like when the lights are turned off. So please feel free to share your comments in the comments box below and share any thoughts. Let's now proceed to our second box of Hirono Monster Carnival. So we already have the creepy clown. Hopefully we'll get the all the bunny, the killer bunny. So let me just open the second box for you. Sorry, I'm not yet an expert when it comes to unboxing. Okay. For our second figurine of Monster, Hirono Monster Carnival. So let's open this one. And one, two, three, go. Oh, we have the zombie. So for the zombie, as you can see, this is I think creepier compared to the first one because as you can see, his brain is already showing on his head, and his right eye has some I'm not really sure, blood or a vessel showing, and at the same time he also has clothes that has blood on his necktie, and at the same time his position, his body is look like drunk one or a zombie like. Yep. On his backside, there's no more there are not much details, but he's just wearing polo, I guess. And then, yep, comparing to the other hero, no, he has a green eye. So let me just show you if we have additional inclusions. So, yep, for zombie, we actually have one inclusion. So this is the bat. So let me just open this one and put it to him. I guess this one should be put here. Okay. So this is the full look of the zombie. So for its art card, this is one. So it also has a gray or black and white card, and this one is actually looks great. So let me just put this one in the prompt in the stand so that you can also see how it glows. So let me just replace the creepy clown and put the zombie. So as you can see, his brain is actually lighting up. Yep. So I'll just show you again how it looks like once the lights are turned off, and feel free to share your thoughts or your comments in the comment box below. This is how it looks like once the lights are turned off. So this actually looks great and at the same time creepy. And similar with the creepy clown, this actually has a very glowing light, especially on his brain part. So feel free to share your comments in the comments box below. So this is our third box for Hero no Monster Carnival. So this actually my last unboxing portion for these videos, and I'm actually excited to open the third figurine for this series. So for our third box, okay, let me just open this one. So similarly with the other figurines, it also has the guidelines, and then here's the figurine. This actually looks big. So let me just open this one. So let me just count one, two, three. So one, two, three. And here's the item. Wow! So this actually looks great. So let me just add the inclusion so that we can have the a full visual look of this figurine. So for the inclusion, it has the sight and at the same time it masks. So let me just open this one. Okay. So as far as I know, the mass is magnetic. So yep, it's actually magnetic. And then for the site, wait, I think this one belongs here. So yep, this is how it looks like. So for this one, let me just show you the art card. So this is the Grim Reaper. So this actually looks great at the same time creepy. Yep, for the Grim Reaper of Hirono, he actually has a balloon, a ghost balloon, and has a Halloween hat or a party hat or a traffic car. I don't know which one is this. And then at the same time, he also has a sight which makes him looks deadly. And of course, he has his magnetic white mask. And once you remove it to him, he show a very sad face. And at the same time, he has a blue eye. So one thing that I noticed among for this Hirono figurines, they actually have different eyes. So the first one we have the black eye, and then for zombie green, and then for a grim reaper he has blue or purplish eye. And then for his dress, this actually has he has a cloak and some patches and looks very scary. And of course, when you look to his feet, he has a skeleton bones or skeletal feet. Yep, this is the Grim Reaper. So similarly with the others, I'll show you how it looks like when you put it in the stand. So let me just remove zombie and then show you the figurine. So for this one, as you can see, the balloon, the ghost balloon actually lights up for this figurine. But later, I'll also show you how it looks like when we turned off the lights. So this is how it looks like for Grim Reaper when the lights are turned up. So as you can see, there is a glowing portion in his balloon. And yeah, this one looks very great, similar with the first two figurines that we have. So if you have any thoughts or any comments, feel free to share it in the comment box below. Yep, that's our third box. And bye.
Thank you, CJ, for unboxing our first half of Hirono Monsters Carnival series. So I'm going to proceed with our next half, which is three boxes also. So let me do the recap first. We got the Grim Reaper, we got the zombie, and the creepy clown. So we are hoping to get the Dr. Beak, the Killer Bunny, and the vampire, or if we are lucky enough to get a secret. So let's see. This one is quite a light figure, and let me unbox this one now. I'm really excited to unbox everything, though my chase from this series is the clown, the creepy clown, and of course the killer bunny. So let's see how creepy or killer bunny looks like in an actual figure. That's why I don't like opening the box on the top because it's really hard to open. So let's see, guys. Again, I really like the foil of New Hirono now because it has really a good branding, very mysterious one. So let's see and unfoil this one. Unfoil, not unboxing. One, two, three, and we got the Killer Bunny. Look how beautiful this one. This one has a different material, unlike from the others. Like the other three figures that we unboxed has a PVC and clear PVC type. This one they use mostly a flat finish material on the suit of a killer bunny. And if you can see here, I really like the knife that they use. It's like a carrot knife, and there's some blood dripping on the carrot. And if you can see, there's a balloon, but it's inflated one. If you look how beautiful the killer bunny here, and the other ears of the bunny is not a flat finish material; it's a PVC type, and it has some texture here. I really like the intricate details of this one, and if you can see, the eyes of Hirono here is red, like the bunny is possessed with the devil. And yeah, let me show you the how intricate the details of the shoes. There's some stitches on the tummy of the bunny and on the other feet of the bunny. It really looks so cool. Even the ruffles on the neck of bunny looks very cute and detailed. So let's see if this one will lights up, because I believe the one that lights up here is the other eyes of the bunny. And there is some like broken glass that like deep or inserted on the head of the bunny. So let's see. Let me put down Grim Reaper for a while and let me show you if the bunny will lights up on the eyes. And it is. Look how the difference because I have this full blown light today and let me show you how it lights up the eyes of the bunny and the tummy if you can see this one. And let me show you how it looks like when the lights is turned off. How beautiful, right? So this how it looks like when the light is turned off. Really looks cool. It really pops up the lights of the each figure. So yeah, that's it. And let me show you again the art card before we proceed with our next figure. This is the art card of the Killer Bunny. So what is your thought about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box. We're almost done with the unboxing of the Hirono Monsters Carnival series. And we're still missing the Vampire and the Dr. Beak. And the secret. Are we able to get one? Let's see and unbox this one. I'm so excited to complete the series because this is like the first time that Hirono created a six figures only because they usually creating 12 figures in one set and now this like half set and I can say that this one is a very limited series like it's a good collection if you are really a collector. So let's see if we are able to get a beautiful piece again. And there are some spoiler peeking in. So let's see, are we able to get one? Another beautiful figure. So one, two, three. Oh, yeah. We got the Dr. Beak. I guess this will be another beautiful figure because look how beautiful the suit of Hirono here. It's like a black priest and he has like this lamp and I believe this is the one lights up and I really like the hat of Hirono here. He really looks like a priest here, dark priest or a doctor. I'm not sure because they called him as a Dr. Beak. And I believe Dr. Beak is a very, very famous character. And he has this detailed gold accent on the cloak or on the, I'm not sure how you will say this one, like a robe of a priest. Look how beautiful this one. And let me show you the art card first. And there are some inclusion here that was speaking a while ago. This is the mask of Dr. Beak. Let me put it with Hirono. And this one is a magnetized one. And let me show you the full set of Dr. Beak Hirono. Very nice one. I like the stitches. And let me show you the art card. So this is Dr. Beak. And let me put him now on the scene prop. Let me set aside Killer Bunny on the side and see how Dr. Beak lights up his lamp. And it is, look, it's not quite visible, but let me show you when the light turns off. Look how beautiful it is, right? So this is Dr. Beak of Hirono, and let me give your comments down below. So this is our last box, and we're missing the vampire or the secret. Are we lucky enough to get this one? Or just fair enough to get the vampire? So let's see. Let's see. Of course, I really want to get a secret, right? Everyone wants to get a secret, which has a probability of 1 over 72. A very high chance of getting it, but unfortunately, or fortunately, to get one, I guess not. And then I'm gonna find out and check where I can buy the secret. So let's see. Our last figure Definitely, I can feel it. The vampire. And yeah, it is beautiful and cute at the same time. I cannot say vampire here looks creepy, but Hirono here looks like a baby vampire, and he's trying to remove her fangs. He has these flyers, silver flyers, and I guess he removed already the other fang which he puts on the jar. If you can see, there's a fang on the jar, and it's shaker. I really like that they use a white hair of the vampire here. I really like the cloak, and I really like the pumpkin one on the head. Very nice. I actually like the vampire here. So let's see. Let's see how it looks like when it lights up. But let me show you first the art card. And this is the art card of the vampire. And let me put down Dr. Beak for a while. Let me set aside and yeah, put this one here. And let me put vampire on the stand. And the one that lights up is the pumpkin on the head. And that's it. And let me show you how it looks like when the light turns off. And look how beautiful the vampire is of Hirono. Really looks good together. And that's it. What can you say about the vampire? Which are your favorites on the 6 characters? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, and this will be our last series for our Halloween theme, and we unboxed 3 blind boxes of the Why So Serious Splash Pendant, and we are able to unbox the full set of the Hirono Monsters Carnival series, and look how beautiful these figures are, especially the Hironos. You know, we are a fan of Hirono, and we are biased of Hirono. If you can see in our background, there's a lot of Hirono as our collection, and we are happy to add this another 6 figures in our collection because this collection has a really different type or a really different vibe from what we have, and yeah, it's very obvious that we like them all, but the 3 figures that it stands out for me is the Killer Bunny, the vampire, and Dr. Beak. And I actually really like the creepy clown. But yeah, if you have other favorites from what we unboxed for today's vlog, you are free to comment down below. And I hope you had fun watching our videos. And if you do, please do like and share. And if you're still not my subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, let me show you the final lineup, and let me show you how it looks like when the lights turn off. Bye!